They believe in karma, reincarnation, and detachment from the physical world. Yet, their combined net worth could literally buy some of the biggest tech corporations on earth. Today, we are exploring the fascinating intersection of faith and fortune, ranking the wealthiest figures in Hinduism and Buddhism. You'll see billionaires who credits their billions to cosmic balance. But wait until we reveal the final spot. The winner of this countdown isn't just the richest person of his faith. He is one of the most influential human beings alive today. Let's find out who holds the crown. If you're vibing with this, show some love with a like and subscribe. It helps us keep the momentum going. Oh, and ring that bell so you never miss a beat. He started teaching physics on YouTube using just a cheap smartphone and a whiteboard, turning a free channel into a billion-dollar education empire.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving
took over a struggling company and bet it all on a dying motorcycle brand, Royal Enfield, turning it into a global cult sensation. The Uniqlo founder started in his father's tiny roadside clothing shop. His golden rule? Fail 9 times out of 10 to find true success. China's water tycoon dropped out of school and worked as a bricklayer and reporter before turning bottled water into a multi-billion-dollar empire. Thanks for the support. If you enjoyed this, I've picked out 2 more videos just for you. Go ahead and click one. More greatness is just a click away. Peace.